Hey yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Nell Garage. I am Nell, and we are back with part 2 of the top 5 best first mods you should do for your car. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so coming in at number 1 on the list, and once again, this is in no particular order at all. It's just, I just wrote it down as I thought of them. But anyway, first on the list is wheels and tires. So as you guys can see by the picture of my good old project car, the VW Polo 9N. As you guys know, the way that they really transformed the whole look of the car was just absolutely incredible. Um, so yeah, a nice set of wheels will definitely change the look of your car. A nice fresh set of some really good tires will improve the handling and also will give you more grip as well. So I will improve the performance of your car. So yeah. Okay, so coming in with number 2 on the list is some LED lights. Now doing an LED lights upgrade on your car, when I put LED lights in it, let me tell you, it looks so much more cleaner. And I know that I say this is with a lot of mods that I talk about. It makes the car look cleaner, but honestly it does. Um, and also LED lights are a lot brighter than the normal standard ones, which is always helpful, especially in the wintry nights. So yeah, LED lights are upgrade. It's probably one of the easiest things to do as a mod on your car. Okay, so here we are at number 3 on the list, which is an quick release steering wheel or an aftermarket steering wheel. So the whole purpose of this, once again, I will change the look of your car, but with this mod obviously on the interior. So I can give you like a more sporty or a track car type of look, feeling, vibe, whatever you want to call it. And also the mostly the aftermarket steering wheels or the quick release steering wheels. Actually, in most occasions they are much more comfortable while you're driving, and in a way they can improve performance. Okay, so coming up to number 4 on the list, which is some LED sweeping indicators or side indicators. Tell you one thing, the LED indicators, the side indicators, honestly probably the cheapest and the easiest mode to do on your car. Honestly, took me a whole of maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Easy to do, pretty cheap, and wow, they really do look good. Okay, so last but not least, we have a racing tow strap. So as you guys can see, I have one on my Corsa. I did not make a video on it, but as you guys can tell by the picture, there is one installed on my Corsa. Um, so this is another mode that's reasonably cheap for what it is essentially, but you don't want to get a cheap one because if you have like a track car, if you got a cheap racing tow strap, and then if you need to tow your track car to the track to go racing or do a track day or whatever, yeah, within the first 10 seconds I'll just break. So you want to buy a proper tow strap. So this mod is actually not just for looks, it is for looks as well. Like, I think it looks pretty good on my Corsa. Some people may disagree, but at the end of the day, guys, it is your car and you modify it the way that you want, the way that you like it. So yeah, racing tow strap for the looks, but also um, it does come in under, I wouldn't say performance, but practicality. Like I said, if you have a track car, it can come in really handy to tow your car to the track. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed part 2 of the best mods for your car. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, link in the description below. And it's been Nell with Nell Garage. Thank you for watching.